Search for the LG ThinQ app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Select Water Purifier on the installed ThinQ app. Activate the Wi-Fi function on the water purifier by pressing the Ambient button for 3 seconds. Disable the mobile data on your smartphone. Enter the Wi-Fi password you are using at home. For iPhone users, enter XXXX from LG_smart_0000_XXXX twice. Please wait until the ThinQ app and product registration are complete. For internal pipe sterilization scheduler, sterilization occurs at the scheduled time, and thereafter, internal pipe sterilization is performed automatically at weekly intervals. In high-temperature sterilization window, select the arrow icon, or select Automatic Hot Temperature Internal Pipe Sterilization in Settings. Click the arrow icon in Scheduled Sterilization on the smartphone screen to set the sterilization time. Set the desired schedule time and click the Save button. Once you schedule the internal pipe sterilization, sterilization will be performed automatically every 7 days at the scheduled time. When the internal pipe sterilization schedule is set, the scheduled time for automatic sterilization will change. You can freely adjust the volume of the water purifier between 6 steps. Even if it is on mute, voice guidance is provided for sterilization and some setting functions. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner of your smartphone screen, then tap the Settings window. Select the arrow icon of the product sound settings in Settings. When On is selected, you can set the beep sound and voice guidance. If you select Do Not Use, beep sound and voice guidance are not provided. However, even if voice guidance is off, voice guidance for sterilization settings will maintain a separate volume level. Select the arrow icon in Device Volume and adjust for the desired volume among 5 levels. Click the Maintenance Guide menu icon on the ThinQ app screen and you can find detailed tips on how to use and manage the product.